Good morning, students. Myself is Yogesh Barad, and today we'll see the our next lesson of Standard 7th. That will be the joint bar graph. Last time you are completed the lesson number 6. Now we'll go for our next lesson, that is a joint bar graph. First, to start this lesson, I want to explain some point. See here, last year you already studied the bar graph. See here, for this one you are already used the graph papers. Okay, then in that time you already drawn the bar graph, how to draw it. In that bar graph, you know it. First you want to draw the horizontal line, that will be the x-axis, and whatever the vertical line, that will be the y-axis. And here we have to draw the same width at a equal distance. You want to draw the graph, and that will be called as a bar graph. And this will be the bar graph. Here in your textbook they are given here, but now this year you want to join bar graph, you want to draw it. Here see, in our last time you already drawn the bar graph. If it is a single building will be there, that is will be called as a bar graph. If it is a two bar are joint each other, that will be called as a joint bar graph. Then here see, when you are drawing the joint bar graph, like our bar graph, same here you want to draw it, but this joint bar graph will be used to compare the things. Okay, then here see, they are given Ajay and Vijay wheat production, they are given, and here horizontally they are given the x-axis and vertically they are given the y-axis, and here we have to mention the origin, and at this side we have to write the scale. On a y-axis, what you are taking the scale. Here see, they are taken the scale, that is a 1 centimeter equal to 10 quintal they are given, because here this graph will be showing on the x-axis year they are given. In 2011 Ajay and Vijay production of wheat is how much they are given. 2011 year, 2012 year, 2013 year, and 2014 year. And here they are given here 10 quintal, 20 quintal, 30 quintal, 40 quintal, 50 or 60 quintal. And here see, in the 2011 both the, see here Ajay they are shown with this box. Here how you are showing the Ajay wheat production, you are showing the particular color they are given here, blue color for Ajay, and Vijay they are given the light blue color they are given, and according to that you will get the joint bar graph. And see here, in the 2011 both the production of wheat will be the same here. Here in the 2012 we'll see there Vijay's production will be more than the Ajay's production. Means like that way, using the joint bar graph you can compare the things. Okay, then here they are given one more bar graph in your textbook, that is related to the class and their number of boys and the girls. Then here 5th class, 6th class, 7th class, 8th class, 9th class, 10th class they are given. Then first you want to draw the x-axis, again you want to draw the y-axis and origin. And here see, they will not give now this year scale, then you only have to decide what to do the scale. Then here when you are thinking about the scale, first you see it, minimum which number is there and a maximum which number is there, and according to that you decide the scale. Then here using the number I am getting one idea about that. Minimum I will take here 1 centimeter equal to, on a y-axis I will take a 10 student, and for a boys I will show only the blank, and for girls I will colorful box I will show, because these things are very very important. And now here see, the leaving the 2's gap, here you draw 5th one, 6th one, 7th one, 8th one, 9th one, and 10th one. And here on the x-axis you are taken the class, and on a y-axis you are taken the number of students. Then here see, 5th one is a 52 and 57 is there. Then here you are taken 10, 20, 30. This will be the scale you are taken. Then here boys are 52, means after 52 lines, that is 52. And girls are 57, means after 50 you have to take the 7 lines. Means here we'll get the one joint bar graph for 5th standard. Now like that way you can draw for our 6th standard. 68 are there, means after 68 line. Okay, and again 6th girls are 63, after 63 line. Means here we'll get the one more joint bar graph for our 6th standard. Then here you will see whatever the gap between every joint bar graph, you can see here 1 is there. That gap is a very very important. If you are leaving here one gap, then every time one gap only will become. Like that way, when you are drawing it, that time you have to take care about this. Here, first thing is a x-axis, y-axis, origin, and again the scale is very important. And here you want to show which which are the boys and which are the girls, how you are showing that box. One you show it a blank and one you show it with a little bit here you do it some what you can say this colorful, okay, with a pencil. And when you are using this bar graph or graph paper, you have to use compulsory here pencil. And here in the joint bar graph, the width of column should be equal. Again, the distance between any two consecutive set of joint bar graph should be equal. And a joint bar graph is used for comparative study. We have to remember this point. Okay, and in the next video, we'll go for our practice set number 31.